How would you compare Pablo Escobar and El Chapo? What are their similarities?
Both were undereducated, but incredibly charismatic, incredibly effective, and incredibly vicious. They both ruled through a combination of bribes and bullets. As Pablo Escobar said, plata or plomo. And they were able to rise to the tops of incredibly powerful, wealthy, and violent transnational criminal organizations with reaches into virtually every corner of the globe.
How about in terms of violence? Was one more violent than the other?
All of the cartels. They're all incredibly violent, and part of their violence is based on understanding that there is a great power in the psychology of violence. Chopping people's heads off, burning people alive, destroying entire communities in order to intimidate and scare the population into providing them with some sort of safe haven or refuge while they carry out their illegal activities.
Where did El Chapo fit into that?
El Chapo was at the very top. He recognized, because he is clever, that he could engage in his activities by intimidation, by instilling fear in the population, and by bribing members of the police forces, members of the military, politicians, prosecutors, and virtually everyone that he could get to or have his lieutenants get to. And when the bribes wouldn't work, he resorted to the bullet. And he was not shy about resorting to slaughtering vast numbers of people, politicians, judges, prosecutors, journalists.